welcome back to the Erinat Adventure. Today we're going to be reviewing the Hawaiian Airlines Boeing 717 flight from Honolulu, Hawaii to Kauai, Hawaii. But before we get on to this video, make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below if you guys like this video. Also turn on those post notifications and make sure you share this video with your friends and family. So let's get on with the video.
Oh, here, let me give you one of these. There you go. Thank you. You're welcome.
And smaller items beneath the seat in front of you. Make sure to slide them completely clear for others. If you're seated in an exit row, we may ask you to assist us in the unlikely event of an emergency. There's a detailed cabin safety card. If you want to be relocated, please let one of your flight attendants know. You'll also find a Hawaiian Airlines Honolulu magazine in your seat pocket. It's not only yours to read,
And will be subject to criminal and civil penalties. And possible loss of inter-flight privileges with Hawaiian Airlines. Small level of cooperation in doing less to ensure a safe travel to Honolulu.
34 years.
and devices without airplane mode cannot be used at any time during the flight. A friendly reminder, this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, including the use of electronic smoking devices, is not permitted at any time. If you're seated next to a window, please raise your window shade.
Hope you enjoyed. Bye!